I opened the 2024 season with a new Moto vlogging setup, 32-bit float sound recording, and as you can hear, it actually sounds good. And what are you using that you are happy with?
It's so great to be out driving again. But we can still get snow. We are not in May yet. Today is April 29, so usually we will get snow like, I don't know, in the beginning of May, but it's not like we have to plow. It's just like it will melt, and we don't have to drive. We can't drive with winter tires, summer tires all the time, or we have to be careful. Just driving a little bit slow, enjoying the moment. I take up the cover again, just to see. Cool. I haven't been here for a year now. They probably know who I am here because I'm driving here all the time, like 2 or 3 times a year. At least 2 times every year. Mostly for trying out new things. Okay, maybe I will try to drive a little bit faster. The sound is really... they make my tires slip. It's only going 55. Not much. And I'm not the first ATV that have been here, I can see. So I wonder how the sound is. Maybe the sound is better now. Probably logic. No, but this was like a quick test out. If I will make a video out of it, I don't know. Maybe. But I'm using the Zoom H1 Essential. It's a sound recorder like this one. So see you guys. And hopefully I can go driving a bit in May again.